11:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I am outside pushing my son around because walking, I'm trying to get him to fall asleep. Ever since he got his stitches in, and you see it right, it's 11:37 p.m. Yesterday he was up until 5 a.m. So Dad has been going non-stop. But ever since he got his 5 stitches over his eye, a little bit above his eyebrow, he been a little sensitive when his eyes are closed, so I think it's a little painful. So you can hear his toy in the background, but I wanted to do an update here because my gut's telling me, like my Telegram knows, if we can just get one small hit and hold above the symmetrical, the small symmetrical that we have here. And this is about a 6-week symmetrical triangle here for Bitcoin, the smaller one that it's in. We just need to hit above it. Every time we go above it, we pull right back below. So if we can get a hit here, and you can see it's turning red in the hour, which is expected, we need to hit around 40,550 area. Because of where we're at right here, it's probably going to be around 40,550 to 600. If we hit that and bounce, buy this market, because we're going to break up to at least the top symmetrical, which is almost 43,000, about 42.8. And then if we break out of that, we should be able to get to 45 or 44. So for me, I feel like it was less than hawkish, at least initially, for the Fed meeting today. 25 basis point ain't dick, excuse my French. The market's priced in 50, at least they're pricing in 50. So I think that right now we're going to come down and we're going to retest that red line. That's the 20-day and the 1 hour. But I think it's more likely that we would hit it and it's going to meet it around in the 2 hour. So I said we could come down here, but I think we get a bounce on here and we're off to the races up to here. So that would clear the way for about a 3,000 point gain, 2,500 to 3,000. And that's going to allow the altcoins to pump. And I have an eye on Ren, my #1 target. I've watched it for so damn long. I wish I would have seen it when it bounced down there earlier, but I was busy with my son. I never seen it hit this uptrend. So that would have been an ideal spot at 32.2, and I'd have been so freaking happy. So now I'm looking at that 33.3 and or this, yeah, about even 33.8 would be fine. 33.8, 34 is right where it's at basically. So, but I think 33.3 is the ideal spot that I targeted out. If you see 33.3 and it looks like it's holding it, I would love for it to get back to the symmetrical, but the symmetrical looks like, if you break it out into the next 4 hour candle and come down, it looks like it would have to be about the 33 cent range, roughly, where we're going to hit again. I don't think it would hit until about here somewhere. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm feeling with Ren, Bitcoin. And then I want to show you XRP as well. XRP needs to hit this downtrending symmetrical. It needs to just hit over where this line comes across. And you can see it. It's come up and now it's above the 78 cent. It needs to break this smaller symmetrical so that it can get in to the year-long symmetrical and finish this pattern up at 91 or $1.10. I think it's going to come up here. I think it's going to be somewhere between 91 and $1.10. It might be $1.05. It just depends how far down we come here. So if we come to the end, it'll be $1. So pay attention to this because we got some very big things happening. It looks like we need a small retest here to prove these outbreaks. So pay no more attention than Bitcoin. Stay blessed, everybody.